What a nice surprise, and just in time for spring. Join me for a quick unboxing and a special visitor. Look who's visiting the craft room today, and he brought something special for his mom. I've been talking about canning this spring and summer, so it was very nice when he stopped by with a brand new T-fal canner. Join us as we take it out of the box. For anyone that's interested, it's a 22-quart canner, and it comes with 2 canning racks. Here it is. I'm looking forward to canning all those spring and summer vegetables. I'll be sure to bring you all along as we learn how to can. Thank you for the lovely gift, sweetheart, and thanks to each of you for watching. See you next time.